Hey guys, welcome to Learn Producing. I am making this quick tip tutorial for how to find the key of any sample. It's very important to find the key of a sample to be able to use it in a track. You don't want your kick to be in different key than your track. It's actually very easy to find it. So I'm gonna take this kick as an example. So click on sampler here, right click on edit, then it will take you to the edition. In the menu bar, click on region and then detect pitch region. So as you can see, showing different markers with different name, G, F. Usually the key of the sample would be the first marker. So here it's showing G. So yeah, the key of this kick is G. So you can use this technique to find the key of any sample. Hope this helps you. If this video helps you, make sure you like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.